Filing taxes might seem complicated, especially if you're living abroad. But as a Jamaican citizen or resident, it's essential to stay compliant no matter where you are in the world. Let's dive into what you need to know about filing taxes in Jamaica while living overseas. First things first, who exactly needs to file taxes in Jamaica? Whether you're self-employed, have multiple sources of income, or even run a business, the tax filing requirements apply to you.
If you have a business here, you rent a property, or you have assets for which you earn an income from, and among other things, you are required to file a return even if you're living overseas.
Even if you're abroad, your tax responsibilities remain unchanged. So, what exactly do you need to file your taxes in Jamaica? The documents required depend on your type of business or income.
We need a bank statement. We need a profit and loss account, a financial statement, invoices, receipts, expenses. The list is not too much. It depends on the activity that you are in. So, maybe you are a taxi operator or you operate a restaurant, then you need income and expenses. But whatever documents, proper records are important for tax filing. If you produce those and you're overseas, it would mean that you now have to upload them to our website as proof to what you just filed.
If you work in another country for a few months, your income from that country must also be reported in Jamaica. Your worldwide income now comes into play, meaning you must account for earnings from every source.
So you are a Jamaican tax resident if you are ordinarily resident here for 183 days. You are resident. Now, if you go abroad and you work 3 months and you work in another jurisdiction another 3 months, your income is not only originated in Jamaica here, but you have some from America, some from Canada, some from the Caribbean. Your worldwide income now comes into play, whereby you are required to account for all those income from the different sources.
Jamaica's tax system operates on a self-assessed basis. This means you're responsible for reporting your income and ensuring that everything is accurate.
You're allowed to have the discretion to tell the government and people of Jamaica through a tax return how much you earn for the year from any source locally as well as internationally.
So when should you file? All Jamaican residents are required to file their taxes annually by March 15th. But paying taxes isn't just a requirement, it also brings personal benefits.
First of all, one global benefit is that as a Jamaican, the feeling of filing and making your payments is supporting national development, such as healthcare, education, infrastructure, and security, and of course to fund the government's national programs. So then secondly, there are individual benefits now, and that is most Jamaicans would like to have what we call their NHD benefit.
One last thing to remember. If you're working abroad and taxes aren't automatically deducted from your income, you must file a tax return in Jamaica. Even if taxes are deducted in the country where you are working, filing in Jamaica is still necessary for full compliance,
so that all the statutory deductions can be done. If they are deducted, then you still need to file your declaration or your tax return, as we call it here in Jamaica, so that it can be declared. Some persons may have income while abroad here in Jamaica.
Staying compliant with your tax obligations is essential, no matter where life takes you. Visit Tax Administration Jamaica's website at www.jamaicatax.gov.jm to file your taxes.